Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete chat history on Discord, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. To quickly delete messages, hold Shift on your keyboard and then click the trash can icon. You can use this to delete your messages in a DM or someone else's messages in a Discord server, provided you have the right permissions. Step 2. If you're looking to clear chat history in a Discord server, there's a quicker way. Right-click on the channel that you want to delete all the messages from, then choose to duplicate the channel. Give the new channel the same name and click Create Channel. Step 3. Now, right-click the old channel and select Delete Channel. You'll need to click the Delete Channel button to confirm. And there you go. You'll now have a brand new chat with all of the same permissions set up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.